This is an Alberta emergency alert. Environment Canada has updated the possible tornado alert. This alert is in effect for Camrose County number 22. At 5:15 p.m., Doppler radar is tracking a rotating thunderstorm 10 kilometers southwest of Hay Lakes. It is moving north-northwest at 60 kilometers per hour. This dangerous storm is likely producing very large hail and may produce a tornado within the next 30 minutes. If you are in the affected area, be prepared to take shelter immediately in a basement or reinforced structure if a tornado develops. Get low and put as many walls between you and the storm as possible. Stay away from windows, doors and outside walls. If you are on the highway and cannot avoid the tornado, seek shelter in a ditch or ravine. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.